This is Nasrin Sultana. Right now, I'm a student of English Fantasy. I have joined this institution 2 months before actually. I think the month was October. And after joining this course, I made a lot of new people. Actually, I'm talking about my friends and teachers also. The institution environment is amazing. They maintain English environment here, and also the teachers are very good. They always support us, and whenever I find any difficult to understand anything, so here they help me to get it. And over there, I made a lot of interesting people. They are my friends right now, and we always talking in English. And every day we go to outdoor session for practicing English. There we talk about anything about my family, about their life or where they have traveled, a lot of things. Sometimes we gossiped, but we use English because Bangla is prohibited to speak. And if anyone by chance speaks Bangla, so they have to pay fine of 10 taka. And right now I am standing at Chanmia housing for our outdoor session, and here we always practice about everything, and it's very good for me to practice over here. That's it.